nga. Kanina mga walang pangalan. Ulangan eh. Kanina walang pangalan.
First five on drop ng Mog, Sol.
Wala nga si AJ.
Isa lang tatayo sa harap ha. Coach lang.
First position of drop ng Hamog. Ilo. Tusan. Tusol. Too strong. Ibanon Makalalan. Makalalan ang na point guard. Too strong. Ibang tayo Spilo. Jack. Tusan. Looking for Spilo. 40 to shoot. Tusan. As Sol, open jump, first basket, too strong, rebound on the Papa Balls, 9 minutes.
Nice day.
Oh, what a shot! Coming from the Papa Balls on number 19. Ispiloa, 9 minutes! 2-0, Papa Balls. Jump, Ispiloa, escape, Siloa, nice move by Siloa, yun na, di ba may Josan. Pag-position, Josan pass, to Jang, fake, Jang, guarded by Nakwa, yes, oh, Jang! 2-all. Our first leg of the game, Tropang Hamog against the Papa Balls. Makalalan. Take the shoot, fake, drive, guarded by Josan, drive, escape. Nakwa down side, nice fake. Nice open jumper ball, same ball. 14 seconds in central, 8 minutes. Oh, in and out. Nakwa, strong, rebound by Jag. Jag again, Jag, zigzag, Jag, pass to downside, open shot, too strong, air ball, rebound by Papa Balls. Still our score 2-all, our first leg of the game. Nice move, drive. Coast to coast. Oh, left-handed shot by number 19 on Papa Balls. 4-2-2. 2-point lead on the Papa Balls. It's below us. Intercepted again. Oh, traveling violation. Turnover on the Papa Balls. 4-2 our score. 7 minutes, 20 seconds. Rebound by the Papa Balls. Bang! Oh, number 26 of Papa Balls. 7-2 now. 5-point lead on the Papa Balls. 6 minutes, 50 seconds. Ispiloa. Back to Josan. Back to Ispiloa. Open jump. Too strong. Rebound by Sol. Oh, rebound on the Papa Balls. Foul. Foul on Josan. First on Josan. First team foul. Drop ang among. 6 minutes, 40 seconds. 7-2. Papa Balls.
Kaya nga, number 19 doon.
Makalalan. Fake, nice drive. Tap, open jump, in and out. Rebound again by Nakwa.
Number 26,
Guillermo. Rebound on Jag to Makalalan. 9-2, a 7-point lead now on the Papa Balls. Ispiloa. Guarded by Ispiloa. Eurostep. Ispiloa in and out. Rebound by Jag. Oh, Makalalan.
number 19.
Nakwa. Yes, oh, Nakwa. 11-2 now. 9-point lead on the Papa Balls. Ispiloa.
Isa.
10 to shoot. Jam. Tapay na ko. In and out. Tapay na ko again. Ispiloa. Ispiloa to Jag. Jag. Move. Nice pass. Nice move from Sol. 11 to 4. 5 minutes. 7-point lead on the Powerballs. 10 to shoot. Makalalan. 13 to 4. Back to 9-point lead on the Powerballs. 4 minutes 40 seconds. So. Yes, also. 13 to 6. Just big. Wrong pass. Wrong pass again.
Just biray.
Magkalalan. Time out on Powerballs. Biray. Makalalan again. Makalalan. Yes, one shot on number 12. 15 to 6. 3 minutes 50 seconds. Spiloa. Open jump. Triple shot. Too strong. Rebound of Makalalan. Foul. Foul again on Josan. Second on Josan. Second team foul on Tropang Hamon. Makalalan. Fake. Arroyo to Nakwa. Nice move by Nakwa. 10 to shoot. Biray. Stop up. Open jump. Too strong. Rebound on Spiloa. Foul. Foul on Makalalan. First on Makalalan. First team foul. Powerballs. 3 minutes 22 seconds. Our score. 15 against 6. Favor of Powerballs.
Gilid, bigay.
Sol. Too strong. Rebound by Arroyo.
Manete? Sa Duke.
Duque. In and out. Rebound by Jag. White ball. 2 minutes 59 seconds. Still 15 to 6. Spiloa out. Too strong to pass by Spiloa. Duque to Biray. Back to Duque. Still by Sol. To Josan. It's 2-1. Sol all alone. Yes, on Sol. 15 to 8. Back to 7-point lead on Powerballs. Duque. Short. Rebound by Sol. It's 4 on 2. Sol. Goes to goals. Pass to nice pass. Block by Duque. Same ball. What a defense coming from Duque. 2 minutes 11 seconds.
Bola.
Only 7-point lead. On Powerballs.
Boss. 14, dalawa.
Nakas mo!
Duque. Steal by Sol.
Okay! Abol! May dalawa!
1 minute 50 seconds. 15 to 8. 7-point lead on the Powerballs. Biray to Nakwa. Open jump. Bang on Nakwa. 9-point lead on Powerballs. Spiloa. Side step. Euro step. Bang! Basket count and 1 on Spiloa. Foul on number 19. On Duque. First on Duque, first team foul. Second team foul on the Powerballs. 10 to 17. Monustro Espiloa. Rebound on Makalalad. Makalalad to Duque. Looking for nice pass outside. Nakwa. Wow! Strong move by Nakwa.
Walang tao.
Oh, still by Biray. Biray now, 1-on-1. Biray, coast to coast. Biray, 1 minute. 21-10. 11-point lead on the Palables. Espiloa. Steal by Duque. Josan, 10 to shoot. Yes, also coming from Josan. 45 seconds. Duque. Duque. Looking for Arroyo. Intercept by the white shirts. Sol again. It's 3-2. Sol gonna be Makalalad. Sol. 14-21. 24 seconds.
Bilis na lang, okay.
Duque. Biray. Bang on Biray. 10 seconds.
Okay, score isa. Lapit kay. Ay lang. Sige na.
And out of our scorer scored 24 on against 40.
Gatchurena.
Steve. Nice deal against Natividad. Natividad on the way. Natividad. Nice defense on Gatchurena. Same ball. White ball. 9 minutes 30 seconds. Second quarter, 42-24. 10-point lead on the mga balls. Inbound in Natividad. Looking to Medyo. Steal! Gatchurena. All the way! Gatchurena. 26-14. 12-point lead now on Bubbles. Nice fake. Looking for Natividad. Rambling violation on Natividad. Turnover on the white shirts. 26-14 now. 12-point lead on the Bubbles. Gatchurena. Take the shoot. Air ball. Bautista. Yara. 40 to shoot. Natividad. Nice defense. Alonso. Nice defense on the white shirts. Palables. 8 minutes 22 seconds. 26. Against the 14. Palables. Gatchurena. Cadiz. Back to Gatchurena. Attempt. Wrong pass. Intercepted by Natividad. It's 2-1. Open jump.
13 lang naman.
Nice fake. Gatchurena. Strong move. Shot. Cadiz rebound. Gatchurena again. 10 to shoot. Air ball. Move again the fouls. 7 minutes 42 seconds. White ball. Oh, same ball. 14 to shoot. 37 minutes 30 seconds. Oh! Still by Bautista again. Coast to coast. Carry by Cadiz. Foul. Foul on number 8 on Cadiz. First on Cadiz. First team foul. Pakabols. Yara to Bautista. Looking for Yara. Yara again. Carry by Cadiz. 10 to shoot. Ramos. Air ball. Back. Foul.
Number?
Foul on number 12.
Number 12 sa kabila.
Nice shot by Natividad. First on personal foul number 12 to second team foul on Pakabols. Set 16 to 26, 10-point lead on Pakabols.
Si Aaron yung ang nabag dito. Bakit mo?
Tachi Lorena. Pero ball, Lumal Cadiz. Nice pass daw siya. Bang! Basket count and one. On number 2, foul on number 23, Bedjok. First on Bedjok, first team foul on Tropangamong.
Ilang shot?
Ha?
Score.
26 na.
Shot ka nun.
28
28 to
na.
16. White ball, foul on number 2. 32 on Papabols, 13 foul on Papabols. First on Gatchurena. Ramos. Gatchurena. Turnover again by the Papabols. 28 to 16, 12-point lead on the Papabols.
Tatabang din ko. Tatabang din ko.
Enggak, ay, sa pangit.
Bondel ka na. Tahu yang saya.
Gatchurena! Time out! On Tropangamong.
Ito talaga nakalista ba ko ako para makakita ko?
Dalawa pang number 12. Kasi rin agad dito. Okay na yun.
Dia number 21, 31. 31 siguro.
20? Number 31. Dalawa din yung time nila.
Lawang sa inyo eh.
Dalawa.
Ha, 31.
Still by Ganes! Still again by Bautista.
Ano ba yan? 31.
Foul! Foul on Cadiz. Second personal foul on Cadiz. Warning for penalty on the Papabols. Go! Still on!
Hindi yan ang
Oh! Nice defense on Tomal. Tropangamong.
Number 31.
Ano sa ngalan yung number 31?
Suwila.
16 to 30. 14-point lead on the Papabols. Ramos. Coast to coast. Ramos open jump to throw. Rebel by Suela. Suela. Acting upon kay Steele. Nice defense on Bedjok. 30 to 60 now. 4 minutes 22 seconds. Bautista. Looking for Natividad. Bautista. Right. Bautista outside to Ramos. Ramos. Back to Bedjok. Open jump. Bedjok. In and out. Same ball. Same ball. White ball. Four minutes. Yara. Steal by Alonso to the Gatchurena. 32 to 16. 16-point lead now by the Papabols. Pedro. Pedro to Ramos. Ramos back to Bautista. Bautista pass. Pedro. Out. To again. Gatchurena saves back. Black by Bautista.
Sisole yung number 10.
Yara. Steal by Sole. To Cadiz. 1-1 against Ramos. Cadiz stop up. Steal. Gatchurena. Wow. Turnover on Gatchurena. 3 minutes 15 seconds. Steelers scored to 13 to 16. 16-point lead on the Papabols. Ramos. To Natividad. Natividad. Turnover. Nice defense on the Papabols. Gatchurena. Calis. Time to shoot. Calis, your ball. Oh! Suela, 34-16. 18-point lead on the Bowls. Ramos turn around on Venezuela. It's 3-on-2 now. 3-on-2 to Venezuela. Foul. Foul on number 10 on Yara. First on Yara, second team foul. Rapakamog. Our next game, UP against UE. 35-16. 19-point lead on the Papa Balls. Papa Balls warning for penalty. Tropahamog have 2 fouls to give. Bautista, Calipe Calis. Bautista to Natividad to Natividad. Foul!
Number 2.
Foul on number 20, Hisole. First on Hisole. Papa Balls now and penalty. Papa Balls and penalty. 35-70 now. 18-35. Back to 17-point lead on the Papa Balls. Nacho Gerena. Calis, Nacho Gerena. 10 to shoot. Suela. Isole. In out. Rebound by the white shirts. Bautista. 1 minute 30. Bautista to Natividad. Foul. Foul again on number 20, Sole. Second and Sole. Now, Papa Balls and penalty. 35-18. Papa Balls. Next game, UP against UE. Our UAP Season 4 of Basketballista. 19-35. Suela. Pass to Calis. Turn, back to Suela. Oh, turnover, my Papa Balls. Back-to-back turnover of Papa Balls. 1 minute. Ramos now, going by 2. Looking for Bautista. Bautista drive to Tenjok. Benjok, same spot. Short. Benjok again. Foul. Basket count and 1 by Benjok. Foul again on number 20. 30. Yeah, 30. 21-30, oh, Yara. Benjok to Yara. 10 to shoot. Yara drive. Still by Isole. Isole again. 3-on-3. Isole. Rebound right, the white shirt. Ramos to Bautista. Bautista to Yara. Yara, fake. Looking for Ramos. Nice defense. 30 seconds. 30 seconds.
Tanong. 30 pa lang.
Ramos. Open jump. Air ball. Papa Balls. 23 seconds.
Pre, last shot!
Alonso. Oh, steal by the Watchers. Yara now. 10 seconds. Bautista. Steal. Calis all alone. Calis.
Sumalaki na uy. Uy! Hindi. Tangan si Biray.
Inbounding Bautista to Spiloa. The hero himself. Nice pass na. Natividad. Natividad. Strong move from Natividad. 37-23. Back to 14-point lead on the Pacabos. Duque. To Japs. Air ball. Nice defense on Bautista. Rebound Natividad. Spiloa again now. Spiloa to Josan. Lugay. Still by Biray. Biray, it's 2-2. Biray, stop out. Defense on Spiloa. To Papa Japs. Ah, save ball. 14 to shoot. Yes! 39-23. Spiloa. Nice move. Spiloa. Natividad. Foul. Save ball. No foul. Save ball. Inbounding Spiloa. Bautista. Yes on Bautista. Pass coming from Spiloa. Duque. To Papa Japs. In and out. 3-1 on Natividad. Natividad to Spiloa now. Spiloa foul. Foul on Makalalad. First on Makalalad. Second on Makalalad. First team foul. Pacabos. 39-25. 14-point lead on the Pacabos. 39-26. Pacabos.
Gansa.
39-37. 27. 12-point lead by the Pacabos. Duque. Steal by Natividad. Sol now, the big man. Sol! Basket count and 1 on the big man. Sol! Time out on the Pacabos.
Third na sila kalaban.
Basket free throw of Sol.
Third na sila.
Third personal foul against Makalalad. 30-39, 9-point lead now on the Pacabos. 7 minutes 35 seconds. Duque. Caribe Bautista. Biray, pass to Papa Japs. Yes on Papa Japs. 41-30. Back to 11-point lead on the Pacabos. Spiloa to Bautista. Pass to Natividad again, downside fake, Natividad, block by Duque, foul! Foul on number 9. 1-9 on Duque. Second on Duque, third team foul on the Pacabos. Seven minutes. Oh, di mana Natividad? Short. Natividad again. Yes on Natividad. 32-41. Back to 9-point lead on the Pacabos. Duque. Caribe Bautista. Duque. Nice move by Duque. 10 to shoot. Wow.
Foul number.
Foul on number 52 on Pacabos. Josan.
Third na.
Third on Josan. First team foul on Pacabos.
Igit na ngayon.
Si Jura lang ako.
Ay, kaya.
Si Jura lang wala.
In and out. Rebound by Josan. Josan to Espiloa. Espiloa now. Stop up. Espiloa. Galing by Duque. Nice pass outside. Nice fake. Same ball. 14 to shoot. 14 to shoot.
Okay, one stop. Ay, Beray. Bay, kakato ha, kakato. Pre, kakato.
Josan to Sol.
Maksud pa rin.
In and out. Rebound by the foul. Foul on Papa Japs. Warning for penalty on Papa Balls. First on Japs. 41 to 32. 5 minutes 57 seconds. Third quarter.
Wala, di pa pwede. 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Hindi, sabi nila, wala na. Hindi, 5 minutes pwede mag-stop.
Biray. Oh, steal by Bautista. Sol. Natitidhan. Coming from Sol. 33 to 41. 7-point lead now. Oh, steal by Espiloa. Bautista. Espiloa all alone. Espiloa. In and out. Lipat by Josan. Duque. 5 minutes 24 seconds. Papa Balls.
5 minutes, 5 minutes.
Papa Balls. Oh, same ball. White ball. 14 the set shot clock.
Sol.
It's still by Duque. 1-1 by Bautista. Duque lapad. Yes, oh, Duque.
Pare. Pare.
Fourth. Offensive foul on Espiloa. Sabrep, punya sub.
Pasok pa, sub. Bili na mag-sub, rep. Sige, sub.
Sir, yung pwede palitan yung hindi pa naglaro. Yung nakalaro, yung palitan nyo. Yung palitan nyo. Yung hindi pa nakalaro, 10 minutes tayo. Hindi yan pwede palitan natin para enjoy lahat.
Okay, ready?
Nakwa!
Steal by Natividad. Espiloa again now. Wow, Sol. Back to back turnover on the white shirts. Throw up Pangamon. 4 minutes 48 seconds.
Score na.
43 to 34, 9-point lead on the Pakabols. Biray to Duque. Guarded by Espiloa. Duque to Biray. Nice fake, Biray. Air ball, nice defense by Bautista. 4 minutes 30 seconds. Espiloa. Looking for Natividad. To Josan, strong move back to Sol to Josan. Natividad again. Oh, in and out, rebound on the Papa Balls. Jabs to Duque again now, Duque stop, nice fake. Duque, Lepan, yes, on Duque. 44 to 35. Jusan now. Looking for one to Sol. Fake drive, Sol, drive attack, Sol. 36 to 45, back to 9-point lead on the Papa Balls. Biray. Carried by Espiloa. Biray now. Looking for Duque. Carried by Bautista. 10 to shoot. Duque, elbow jumper, too strong. Rebound by Natividad. Natividad to Espiloa. Foul. Foul on Duque. Penalty. Substitution Sabrep. Third personal foul against Duque. Basket shot basket shot. Basket substitution there at 3 minutes 24 seconds. 11-point lead on Pakabols. Ipan by Nakwa. Duque again. Duque. One move. Nice move by Duque. Rebound on the white shirts. Jag. Looking for Spiloa. Spiloa to Sol. Drive. Nice move by Sol. In and out. Rebound by Nakwa. Nakwa to Duque. Wow! Duque now. Pow! Foul on number 52 on Josan. Substitution na lang. Fourth personal foul against Josan. 13 foul on Tropang Hamog.
Balikan mo lang siya.
2 minutes 56 seconds.
Wala pang sub sir ha, wala pang sub.
Basket sub, Terrell. Basket sub.
Nakunin mo muna.
Basket sub. 46 to 36. 10-point lead by the Papa Balls. 2 minutes 50 seconds. Third quarter.
Spiloa. Outside.
Surena, called by Belgium. Surena. Suwala. Shoot. Rebound by Jag. Jag to Belgium. Still by Suwala. Jag. Short by Belgium. Ow! Papa Japs. Papa Japs out. Stop up. Papa Japs. Looking for Suwala. 2 minutes. Suwala now. Suwala drive. Foul. Foul on Spiloa. Warning for penalty on Tropang Hamog. Second on Spiloa. Suwala. Tuwag ka Surena. Take the shoot. Nakwa. Nice pass. Steal by Spiloa. It's 1-1. Natividad. Tugas to Surena. Nice move. Nice defense by Surena. Benjo to Natividad. Foul on number 32 on Gatsurena. Penalty rep. Both teams now in penalty. Second on number 32, Gatsurena. Score 46 again to 36. Papa Balls. 10-point lead on the Papa Balls. 9-point lead now on the Papa Balls. 37 to 46. Suwala. Carried by Jag. Suwala now looking for Gatsurena. Downside. Nakwa the Terminator. Air ball, rebound by Suwala. Foul on Suwala, penalty. Both teams now in penalty. First personal foul on Suwala. Substitution left, Sabrat. Natividad out. Solmostro in. 1 minute 8 seconds, 46 to 37. Papa Balls. 38 to 46. 8-point lead now against the Papa Balls. Gatsurena. 55 seconds. 14 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Steal. Foul on Suwala. Penalty. Second personal foul on Suwala. 46 seconds. 46 to 38. 8-point lead on the Papa Balls. Nice shot by Jag. Second free throw on Jag. Ready for rebound. Rebound on Suela. Suela. Tugas Dorena. Papa Jobs. Ball. Oh! Nakuha! Ano ba na the Terminator? Nakuha! Foul on number 33 on Pejok. Penalty. 23 on Pejok.
First.
Nice move by the Terminator. Nakuha! Espiloa. Espiloa, you step foul. Oh! Offensive foul on Espiloa. 24 seconds. 24 seconds. Tajurena. Tajurena escape. Drive. Coast to coast. Steal by the White Shirts. Foul. Foul on number 13, penalty. 13 seconds. Forty-two, 46, 6-point lead now. The Papa Balls. 13 seconds remain time. Third quarter. 10 seconds. 6 seconds. 6 seconds. Five. And number third quarter score 46 fouls, 40 on Rock'n'Roll. Last quarter. Ball game. Duque. Paso Arroyo. Ah, still by the church. Say, oh, white ball. Turnover by Arroyo. Score 46 against 40. 6-point lead on the Papa Balls. Ramos is all. In and out. Rebound on Makalalad. Looking for Duque. Duque, guarded by Ramos. Guarded by 2. Duque. Duque again. 12 to shoot. Oh, wala pa may Duque. In and out. Natividad to Jag to Sol, drive, Sol, a strong move, in and out. Rebound by Natividad, fake. Natividad back to Montrose. Short again, Natividad. Yes, Natividad. 46 to 42, 4-point lead now. On the Pagabos, Duque to Arroyo. Guarded by Smudotos. The Terminator Nakwa. Terminator. Black by Jag. Terminator again. Pass to Makalalad. 48 to 42. Back to 6-point lead. On the Pagabos. Ramos now. Escape. Nice move. Ramos to Natividad. Black by Alonso. Duque. Nice steal. Duque. It's 2-2. 2-3. Duque. Looking for his teammates. Duque to Alonso. To Arroyo. Pump. 3-point shot. Air ball. Rebound by Sol. Sol now. Left body Sol. Sol drive. Sol. Nice play. Sol. Foul.
Solo.
Foul on Alonso. Blocking foul on Alonso.
First.
First on Alonso, first team foul on the Papa Balls. 2 free throw shot by Sol. In and out. Our next game will be Cool Warriors UE against UP. Our UAP Season 4 basketballista. Arroyo. Arroyo now, Arroyo. Yun na, triba ng Medinad. Foul!
Foul number.
Foul number 16, the Terminator. Nakwa. First on the Terminator. Second team foul on the Papa Balls. 7 minutes, 20 seconds. On our last quarter, Ramos. Ramos to Jag. Carried by Makalalan. Jag, stop, Jag. Pato na bigla, 10 to shoot. Sol. Pop, jump, nice fake, Joel. In and out. Iban again, Natividad to nice move. Substitution there, sub that. Sol out, Josani. Sir, 4 foul ka na, sir, ha? Sub. Our score, 42 against the 48, Papa Balls. Ramos, 10 to shoot. Josan, pops up. Bautista, Ramos. Oh, in and out. Rebound again by Jan. Black by Arroyo. Duque, move by Duque. Move it to the nice side step, Duque. What a great move by Duque. Foul. Foul on number 7, Makalalan. Sabi to sunod. Board personnel foul on Makalalan. Warning. 13 foul on the Papa Balls. Ramos, pop, elbow jumper. Too strong. Rebound on the Terminator. Nakuha. 5 minutes, 40 seconds. Duque. Makalalan. Arroyo. Black. Substitution to Rap. Ramos out. Ramos. 52-42. 8-point lead on the Papa Balls.
Wala na yung bola doon.
Espiloa. Pass to Jag. Jag to Espiloa. Looking for Josan. Stop. Pass to Espiloa. Escape. Yes, basket count and one by Espiloa. Foul on number 19. On Duque. Fourth personal foul on Duque. Warning for penalty on Papa Balls. 50-45, 5 points lead now on the Papa Balls. Duque. Guarded by Bautista. 5 minutes. Isole, back to Duque. 14 to shoot. Back to Isole. Drive, Isole to the Terminator fake. Terminator. Pasong Arroyo. Isole again, 14 shot clock. Duque. 10 to shoot. Pop. Jumper shot, di ba pinagbilan? Foul! Foul on number 16 on the Terminator penalty. Second personal foul on number 16, the Terminator. Basket stop tayo na pa.
Ano gusto mo?
46-50, 4-point lead on the Papa Balls. 4 minutes, 44 seconds. On the last quarter. Basket sub rep. 47-50, 3-point lead now. On the Papa Balls. Tropang hamog. No fouls to give. Sure fouls to give by Tropang hamog. Duque to Biray. Back to Duque now. Back to Sole. Back to the Terminator. Looking for the point guard. Terminator to Makalalan. What a pass coming from the Terminator. 52 to 47. Espiloa. Stop. Pop. Espiloa drive. Move. Espiloa. 52 to 49. Back to 3-point lead on the Papa Balls. 4 minutes. 3-point lead. Papa Balls. Duque to Biray. Kalit po yung tibilad. Isole to Duque. Time to shoot. Duque drive. Duque stop. Duque to Biray. 5 to shoot. Foul. Foul on number 14. Espiloa. Substitution left. First team foul on Tropang Hamong. Espiloa. Fourth foul. Warning. Warning on Espiloa. Fourth personal foul. 3 minutes 42 seconds. Both teams have 2 timeout. 2 timeout both teams. 53 to 49. Back to 4-point lead on the Papa Balls. Our next game. UP against G. Sol. Wow! Still by Biray. Through Makalalan now. Back to Duque. Carried by Bautista. Biray, stop up, Biray. In and out. Rebound in the one chance. The Terminator to Makalalan. 55 to 49. Nice hustle play on the Terminator. 2 minutes 50 seconds. Espiloa. Zigzag. And nice steal on his own. Natibilad fake. Foul.
Time out kami.
Foul number 7. Time on the Papa Balls.
5 na.
Isang team foul pa kayo, sir, ha? Sir. Isang foul pa kayo.
Papa Balls now and penalty. Tropang Hamong. 3 fouls to give. 2 minutes 48 seconds. 55 to 49. 6-point lead. On Papa Balls. Short. Steal by Kuala. Duque. Guarded by Bautista. 2 minutes 30 seconds. Steal by Bautista. Yes, Bautista. 51 to 55. 4-point lead now on Papa Balls. Duque. Guarded by 2. Steal by Biray. Biray now guarded by Joseph. Biray now, time to shoot. Nice move, Biray stop pump. Yun na, tiban by the Terminator. Nice move. Natibilad. Steal. Natibilad. Ilwan, Duque, Natibilad. Steal, Natibilad. Ilinag, steal na wa. Foul. Who's ball left? Foul on number 8 on Cadiz. Cadiz fourth foul. Warning on Cadiz. 1 minute 48 seconds. 55 against the 51. Papa Balls. Time out on Papa Balls. Coach lang tayo nakatayo natin ha, coach lang nakatayo ha, warning tayo, coach lang nakatayo.
Kaya pa naman tutupiin yung ano.
Sura lang. 1 minute 43 seconds, 22 seconds, 22. 1 minute 43.
Wala, blind spot eh.
Warning on beds. On Papa Balls.
Para sa Rasto. Huwag papasahin. Yung goal natin, umagaw. Okay.
Oh! The Terminator! Black! Suela! Dusong! Suela again! Pow! Foul on 23. Second team foul on Tropanghamog. Second team foul.
Sir, huwag na kayo maingay, sir. Laro para magandang laro. Sayang eh. Sinisira yung laro yung kasama nyo eh. Iyaan nyo na.
1 minute 29 seconds, 55 to 52. 3-point lead on the Papa Balls. Last throw, Suela. Rebound by Isole. Isole to Suela. 10 to shoot. Biray. Short. The Terminator. Basket count. One by the Terminator. Lakwa. Nice shot on the Terminator. 57 to 52. 30 foul on Tropanghamog. 1 minute 14 seconds.
Ay, saan pa bago mag-penalty?
5-point lead on the Papa Balls.
Nice!
Rebound by Isole. Bautista. 1 minute. Bautista na. Bautista attack. Space. Foul.
20.
Foul on number 28 Isole. Penalty.
Tatlo na kayo.
Third personal foul in Isole.
Score.
57 to 52. 5-point lead on the Papa Balls. 55 seconds. Duque. Kali pa yung Bautista. Escape by Duque. Duque now. Duque stop. Bump. In and out. Duque again. 40 seconds. 10 to shoot. Foul. Foul on 53.
Natividad.
Natividad. Warning for penalty on Tropanghamog. 35 seconds. 14% shot clock. 35 seconds.
Muna yun na yun!
Foul. Foul on the Great Sol. Penalty. 33 seconds. 30 seconds.
Sundan at talos.
Mabiri.
58 to 53. 5-point lead now. On the Papa Balls.
Apat, technical doon. Anim na.
59 to 53. 6-point lead. On the Papa Balls. Espiloa. Strobo. Espiloa. Isole. Isole now. Pass to Biray. Biray. 15 seconds. 40 to shoot. Foul. 10 seconds. 10 seconds. Foul on Josan. Josan 5 fouls. 10 seconds. 60 to 55 our score. 5-point lead on the Papa Balls. 10 seconds. Our next game will be UP Warriors against UP Boy Wonder. 7 seconds. 7 seconds. Follow the job. 7 seconds. And